I want to go to Walgreens. So the pre-market getting absolutely hammered. We're down by something like 15%, down by 14.81% right now. And this is what they're saying. New range for the year. Cut that big time, 280 to 295. They had seen 320 to 335. Lisa's been talking about the reports of store closures as well. JoAnne, we're trying to work out if this is a sign of what's happening with the broader consumer, or is this just a sign of a retailer struggling before its own reasons?
Yeah, John, I think it's Walgreens having its own issues. And the reason for that is Walgreens had adopted a business model of trying to build clinics in their locations to, help add a new business line, drive more traffic, to help the retail side. We had owned Walgreens for a while. We sold it last year because one of the things we noticed in the wake of COVID was the shortage of skilled medical staff, whether it's physician's assistants, nurse practitioners. And so we expected that it was going to be really hard for Walgreens to be able to staff such a new line of business locations. And then you saw the pharmacy workers themselves going on strike. So it was going to be made pretty clear to us this is going to be a challenging business model. And so we're not surprised. We sold it last year, and we just think it's going to continue to be challenged.
We're seeing CVS shares down in sympathy, so this isn't just a Walgreens story, at least when it comes to the market. How much is this just simply because of the medical side of things and what you're talking about with respect to shortages? And how much does this speak to the changes also post-pandemic with some of these stores to prevent theft, with the fact that basically Amazon had an upper hand and this just turbocharged it?
Yeah, your comments earlier, Lisa, about the frustration you have anybody has going into one of these shops and trying to buy whatever. It's just, it removes that convenience that those shops were supposed to afford. And that is a real problem. And they might need to be more judicious in where they deploy such theft prevention devices. I mean, we're here in suburban New Jersey. I don't think there's a lot of that kind of theft going on. I don't know. But, I walk into my local Walgreens or CVS and have to get through those barriers. It's a pain in the neck. So I think they need to really rethink the cost of this to their traffic.